So we started on organization of communities a couple times ago when we did the other reading. I want to talk about the biomes first before we go into the aquatic ecosystems, which are on that other reading. So we're changing it up a little bit because we just want to do land biomes first. Okay? So we're going to be on page 371, and we might have Sean read first on climate's effect on where species live. But before we do that, let's just review a couple of things. So in any ecosystem, what is the name we give the organisms that are capturing energy and producing their own food? Plants or? Producers, that's another word. Autotrophs. Okay? Producers, autotrophs, plants, like that fits that description. Then we have the consumers. And what's the first level of consumers?
Like grasshoppers?
The ones eating the producers.
Got it.
So what do we call those? What's the name we give those?
Heterotrophs.
Heterotrophs or
Herbivores.
herbivores. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
Then consumers that eat herbivores
Carnivores.
or
Omnivores.
omnivores. Then we have those consumers that are eating things that have already died. Scavengers or decomposers. And there was another special group that was eating some of the leftover bits.
Oh, the one with the worms.
Yep, the ones with the worms.
It's like a special category.
It is detritivores.
Oh my gosh.
And detritivores eat detritus. Okay, so what we're going to see is when we look at any ecosystem, we're going to be able to identify, any of those things in an ecosystem. Okay. All right. So Sean's going to start us off on the top of page 371.
Climate's effects on where species live. If you traveled across the country by car, you would notice dramatic changes in the plants and animals outside your window. For example, the drought-tolerant cactuses in the deserts of Arizona do not live in the wetlands of Florida. Why is this? The climate of any physical environment determines what organisms can live there. Climate refers to the prevailing weather conditions in any given area.
Okay. John, temperature and moisture.
Two of the most important elements of climate are temperature and moisture. Figure 9 illustrates the different types of ecosystems that occur under particular temperature and moisture conditions. Temperature. Most organisms are adapted to live within a particular range of temperatures, and will not thrive if temperatures are colder or warmer. The growing season of plants, for example, is primarily influenced by temperature. Moisture. All organisms require water. On land, water is sometimes scarce, so patterns of rainfall often determine an area's life forms. The moisture holding ability of air increases when it is warm and decreases when it's cool.
All right, so temperature and moisture. These things are going to influence every ecosystem. Okay? If you were to put an X, where is Newcastle? Where do you think it would be? We'd be right there, right? Where would we be? Towards the cold? Towards the cold?
Towards the cold and the dry.
Towards the cold and the dry?
We would be,
But not like down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
like
no.
right there.
Warmer, colder, warmer?
Right there.
Right there? Okay.
Yeah.
Right, you get the idea, right? Okay. What about spearfish?
a little bit over this way to its
Hotter
moisture.
or wetter?
Wetter and hotter.
I'd go more
I'd say
like
wetter
this
than
way.
colder.
But more that way.
More wet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, we can look at climate data like on average, how many inches of rain does Newcastle get a year?
12. Not very many.
No.
I
You're a step, so
Right, average, right?
So
What about spearfish?
A little more than average.
What about Lincoln, Nebraska?
No, it's humid over there. Maybe a little more than, but not enough more than average.
We get the idea. How many of you ever been to Phoenix? Where would Phoenix fit on?
Dry.
Up here, right? In the hot, wet, no, dry. Alright,
I
good.
think
Good.
you also go negative on dry.
Negative on dry?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like water actually leaves that place?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so major biological communities. Kendrick. Top of page 372.
If you were to tour the world and look at biological communities on the land and in the oceans, you would soon learn a general rule of ecological. Very similar communities occur in many different places that have similar climates. In geographic, a major biological community that occurs over a large area of land is called a biome. A biome structure and appearance are similar throughout its geographic description. While there are different ways to classifying biomes, the classification system used here recognizes 7 of the most widely occurring biomes. 1. Tropical rainforest. 2. Savanna. 3. Taiga. 4. Tundra. 5. Desert. 6. Temperate grasslands. And 7. Temperate forests, deciduous, and evergreens. These biomes differ greatly from one another because they have developed in a region with very different climates. The global description of these biomes is shown in figure 10.
Alright, so here we go. Blake, you're gonna get tropical rainforest, Netanya, Savannah.
Okay.
Actually, Savannah should take Savannah, right? But we're gonna give this.
So really doesn't care.
I
Vegetables.
I know, we don't have one. But if we did.
At some point.
Josie, Taiga, Sage Tundra. Okay, so what are you going to do is I come around and give you one. You're just going to read that, summarize that in one sentence. And we'll talk about that.
So we have to read this?
You've got, you don't have to read it, you just have to summarize. And so they're going to be summarizing in their notes or however they're going to do it, and then we'll write it down.
Why are we only doing those? I'm so sorry. Wait, I'm not ready. I'm not prepared.
Okay, Ashland, you're going to do desert.
Okay.
Temperate grassland.
I want to use my notebook. Oh, that was guys.
Madeline. Deciduous forest.
I'm stressing.
Owen. And then evergreen forest. Addie, do you want to do temperate evergreen forest? Yeah, so just come up with like one sentence that describes the characteristic of that biome. Madeline's got temperate grassland. Owen's got temperate deciduous. All right, like tropical rainforest. How'd you summarize that?
Okay, so I summarized it saying the average rainfall is about 450 centimeters per year, but it differs per season. And then the rainforest contains more than 2 million species and has like a high primary productivity.
Okay, so lots of rain.
Yeah,
So 450
50 centimeters
centimeters
per year.
of rain in seasons.
Yeah, like the seasons like just differ.
So some seasons are
More than
wet and some seasons are torrential
yeah.
in seasons. Lots of species. And lots of productivity. Oh, read it again. How'd you say it?
It has a high primary productivity.
High primary productivity. What do you, high productivity, what do you think that means?
It's like the ecosystem is, I don't know how to say it.
Think we just reviewed some
Is
stuff.
it like there's a lot of like plants and stuff because they're producers? Yeah.
Producers,
Lots
yeah.
of producers.
lots of producers. So when we say producers, what are we really talking about?
Plants.
Lots of plants. Lots of plants. Okay, good. Natanya, Savannah.
1 second.
Okay.
Okay, they're found in tropical areas with very little precipitation. They have seasonal droughts, grasslands, and few animals are active during drought season.
So tropical with little rain. This is kind of important. When we say little rain, like who sets the bar? Deserts on one end with 0, and rainforests on the other end with 450. Let's put that into perspective. This is 100 centimeters.
450 zones. You'd be
Four.
We're drowning. We're swimming. No,
Right,
no,
this-
like 7
this-
meters.
That's 100.
Is
know.
100 centimeters,
Oh,
which makes
know.
this
I want that bad measuring.
200 centimeters of rain.
Go more up. It's hard in this room.
Right? That's 200 centimeters.
How did I record this?
The ceiling is 300 centimeters of
We're
rain.
dead.
So 1 more and a half. All right, so we here we go. We set the bar, right? The desert has 0. The tropical rainforest has 450.
I have like.
So when we say little rain,
Spencer, Lorenz, please come to the office.
like a little bit of rain could really be a lot of rain.
Well,
This one says 90 to 150 centimeters.
That's a little rain.
Yeah.
Don't they have like monsoon season though? Like
Yeah,
in
so-
season?
Okay, so little rain, but season, so it's gonna be, right? Do we have a wet season and a dry season?
No, not here. Maybe, but
Like spring rains?
I mean, yeah, typically, but like not all the time.
Yeah, we don't really have a true monsoon type season here, where it like rains 2 inches every day for 3 weeks, which would be a true monsoon kind of a thing. Or like you just get consistent rain for like 2 months, just because of where we are with the Rocky Mountains. But some other places too. All right, so tropical is little rain, but it's seasons.
They have seasonal droughts.
Seasonal droughts. So there's no rain.
Yeah.
They have grasslands,
Okay, grass.
and animals are not active during drought seasons.
Okay, animals. Not active. During drought. We might actually be able to think about this. Do we, like, what would be an example of an animal that lives in the savannah?
A lion.
A lion?
Gazelle.
Gazelles.
Let's go with gazelle. Let's go with the gazelle and zebra.
Thank you.
Only because
Like gazelles.
only because when we answer the zebra question, we'll answer the lion question. Okay, so
Okay.
the rain comes in seasons. Okay, I am a zebra. I am eating grass. I'm a gazelle. I'm eating grass. Okay,
Like
so
gazelles.
if I where in the savannah? If I'm a zebra, where in the savannah am I at?
The grass. The grass.
The grass, where there's
Rain.
rain and the grass is growing. Okay, so I'm here while the grass is growing, while it's raining and the grass is growing. But as soon as it stops raining and it starts to get hot and the grass starts to dry out, what am I going to do?
You're gonna go to the watering holes.
I'm going to go to the watering holes, but I got to eat.
Right, because that's where the grass grows.
Okay, so then what?
Then
Migrate.
I like the word. Then I got to migrate, right? I'm going to follow
the
the
rest
rain.
of the
Where the grass is green. Okay. Then it's going to get hot and dry out, and then I'll do the watering hole thing. But then, right, I'm going to move on. And now, as I do this, eventually, what's going to happen?
The rain comes back.
We're almost there. The rain comes back to where?
The original place you were.
Yeah, the original. So
savannah.
I make my way around the savannah, and boom, about the same time next year, I'm in the same spot, and I'm doing my gazelle thing. Okay.
Like gazelles.
All right. I'm a lion. I eat gazelles. So what am I going to be doing?
You're gonna follow the gazelles.
I'm either going to follow the gazelles, or
The zebra.
I'm going to wait for, savannah. Savannas really are like, an African grassland.
No savannas in that.
Zebras, gazelles, wildebeest, and some of those different things, they'll eat different parts of the grass. So all the wildebeest will go through, and then the gazelles will follow the wildebeest, because the wildebeest won't eat all the grass. They'll leave some of it. And so the lions just wait around. Like, I know that the zebras left, but the gazelles are going to be here in a couple of days. So I'll just wait. Kind of a thing. So they will. Okay, good. Taiga.
Taiga.
Cold and wet. Think,
Cold and wet.
think northern/middle Canada. Coniferous forest. The wet allows for coniferous forests, and then they are home to large animals such like deer and elk and moose, and then small carnivores like small/medium carnivores small/medium carnivores like wolves and lynxes.
Okay. So tigers are cold and wet. They're coniferous forests. They have large animals like moose, caribou. No, because moose are
Caribou kind of tundra.
kind of, yeah, they're more tundra. Moose and elk
Do you want us to
and
Remember
wolf.
I got called a moose? Fun fact about caribou.
You want to know something really cool?
About
Caribou.
caribou.
They're actually not that big.
Really?
Yeah. The last time I was there, they were only about up here on me.
Oh wow.
But moose are like
Moose are big.
huge. I have a picture of one. Actually, a few. So,
Actually, yeah. And so tundra really would be like caribou would be.
yeah.
Ain't no way we're keeping that. So she gave it to my dad.
Caribou.
Caribou. Okay. Tundra.
Wait.
Oh wait, I'm waiting.
waiting, actually.
This is also the largest one. It's
Oh, taiga is the largest.
this biome one of the largest on Earth. called by its Russian name, taiga. Got the eye of the taiga. Rick, that was good.
Oh.
All right, Tundra.
It's a cold temperature and it has very low precipitation.
So cold and dry.
It has less than 10 inches or 25 centimeters.
Less than 25 centimeters.
Water is unavailable most of the year because of the permafrost, which is 1 meter on the surface.
Water on surface, which is called permafrost.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Good. Tundra, cold and dry. Water's frozen a lot of the year because it's cold. Hey, if water's frozen, sorry. If water's frozen most of the year, how many plants are we gonna have there?
Not enough. Like shrubs.
Shrubbery.
Yep.
Stuff that can grow fast enough while the soil is thawed.
That's the one. Moss.
That's what caribou eat.
That's what caribou eat.
They eat the owl, the moles.
And caribou have like huge feet, so they don't sink in the mud.
Yeah, and they also they go to like the other side where it's like summer too. They eat that grass, but when it's cold all year round, they eat.
Okay. Actually,
I'm actually down. Lacking precipitation and
dry.
vegetation. No, it's lacking precipitation, like I said, and vegetation
Okay.
and wildlife.
Okay. So few plants and animals.
And it's a large, vast, dry region.
Large, vast, dry region. Okay. All right. Yeah.
There's chocolate all over my arm.
Okay. Did you give any numbers like as to how dry? Like less than so many centimeters of rain?
Disgusting.
Did it give like how much rain? Or just dry?
Just like dry.
Temperate grassland, that one.
Okay, they're moderate climates,
Moderate.
like large grass areas. And they're like hot and moist. Well, hot during the summer and then cold during the winter.
Oh, so we got seasons.
Yeah. And
Hot
they have large herbivores, burrowing animals, and like medium-sized predators.
Herbivores and predators. We're in Wyoming. What would like a typical grassland herbivore be?
Cow.
Bigger. Think native. Think native.
Bison.
Bison.
Yeah.
Period. It's the grassland elephant.
Okay.
Wait, I'm not ready. I'm not ready either.
I'll wait.
Cow.
Antelope.
You know, elk.
Also known as
I guess elk were traditionally grassland plains herbivores, but as people moved in and hunted them and moved cows in to graze, it pushed elk out into the forests.
That's interesting.
It is.
It's not that surprising. The best way to get away from the situation is move.
That was so funny.
What are you gonna do?
I wouldn't want to deal with that actually. Just kidding.
Just notice all of us are clapping.
Hey, temperate deciduous forest, Owen.
Mild climates with plenty of rain, given the Well, that's why there's a lot of plants there.
Mhm.
It's because of the precipitation is 75 to 250 centimeters. Yeah. That's one of the reasons that it has so many plants.
Yeah.
Diverse plants.
Yes, good. And that brings up a good point. When we think, so a deciduous forest is wet, okay? Not like a tropical rainforest. What else would reduce the productivity of a deciduous forest?
Fires.
In rain.
They get quite a bit of rain.
Oh,
So
cold.
besides temperature, why cold?
Because they go dormant.
Too far north.
Yeah.
They go dormant. So when it's too cold, the plant goes dormant. So they're not producing. Or if it freezes and they lose their leaves, deciduous is trees that lose their leaves. So they go dormant. They're not producing. So productivity, right? When are the plants active? If it's freezing, the plants aren't active. All right, Addie, temperate evergreen forest.
Dry and with special soil conditions, or there's mostly pine forests and shrubs.
Special soil. Hold on. Did it detail that? Like, what's special about the soil?
It doesn't give me it just says in different soil conditions.
Favor the growth of evergreens.
Thank you.
Evergreens.
You're welcome.
So coniferous, right? Evergreens and shrubs. So what do you think the Black Hills is?
Evergreens. JK. Temporal.
We got a couple words. Tropical, temperate, Arctic. Right? These words kind of describe like the temperature. Tropical climates are going to be warm year-round, above freezing. Temperate, you're going to have warm periods and then periods below freezing. Okay, kind of in some seasonal thing. Arctic,
Always.
well, no, not always, but the warm season is shorter.
Yeah.
It's mostly.
Right. If it's temperate, it's kind of like average. Okay. Grasslands, so savannas are tropical grasslands. So if it's a tropical grassland, is it ever going to get below freezing?
No.
No, but what would you call this grassland out here?
Temperate.
Temperate grassland.
Well, sometimes.
Because in the winter it gets below freezing. So it's temperate. Good. Let's think about this. Okay, in your notes, put a graph here.
Okay. Wait, time out.
Let's map out where we're going to be. Where?
What is on my book? But I'm getting rid of it.
Okay, so wet, we're going to call that 450 centimeters. And 0. And cold, what are we going to call cold? Freezing or
Yeah.
freezing, so like 32, or we'll just call it 0. We'll just call it 0 Celsius. 0. And hot,
80. All the time.
80 Celsius. Well, if we go Fahrenheit,
No.
let's like 120 is like desert hot. So what would that be in Celsius? Like
Oh,
50 Celsius? 45
So
Celsius? We'll go 50. 50. All right. So tropical rainforest. Where are we going to put the X for tropical rainforest?
Like, in the very corner.
Is it going to be hot like desert hot?
Maybe a little.
Maybe like a little down.
Maybe a little down?
Yeah, like
Yeah,
right
yeah.
there.
But wet, right? We're
Yeah,
using
yeah,
that.
all the way over.
Like tropical sets the bar, right? For
Yeah.
wet.
Are we supposed to be labeling that X's or not?
Oh yeah. Tropical rainforest.
It gives us a good crowd.
TRF. Are there any other places that are hot or that are warm or that are tropical that would be in the same temperature as tropical rainforest?
Tropical savannah.
Savannah, but
On the other side.
drier, like dry, like a desert dry, or
A little less.
with little rain. So
Yeah, yeah, right there.
Savannah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
So tropical but less rain. Okay. Taiga, cold and wet. So wet like tropical rainforest, but not warm. It's
Cold.
so we want to go somewhere in the middle.
Colder.
The taiga.
Okay.
Okay. Who else is wet like a taiga but warmer?
Temperate.
Temperate.
Like rainforest.
Yeah, temperate rainforest or warmer. I guess I would say warmer. Temperate. Temperate forest, temperate deciduous forest. Oh yeah, because it says it's wet. 752. So a temperate would be like a taiga but warmer.
Got it.
Deciduous forest.
That's
All right, good. Kind of see how these fit. Tundra. Where would tundra go?
Down to the cold.
Cold and dry. Cold and dry. All right.
So like,
And like 0 cold, right?
it's pretty
And
cold.
but dry like no, like desert dry or a
Like-
little bit.
Yes.
A little.
So
It is definitely.
over, but cold.
Oh, it is desert.
It basically is.
So who's like a tundra but hot?
The desert.
Right. So desert is dry like a tundra,
But mega hot.
but like it sets the bar for hot. Okay, so we have another temperate. Temperate grassland. Moderate temperatures.
Like in the middle.
Yeah.
Is it going to be cold like a taiga or warmer
Warmer.
but drier?
Like, but not too dry. Like right next to the deciduous almost.
Right there.
Like kind of.
You think? Temperate grassland?
Ah, that's pretty good.
Grass. Grass. Wow. Temperate evergreen. Dry. We should probably get like a number, like how dry.
Pretty dry. Wait.
Madeline, you're on your computer. Look up the average rainfall for a temperate evergreen forest.
Josie, say Josie. Wait, what?
No, I'm joking. Oh, 12 to 35 inches.
Oh, 12 to 35 inches?
Yeah.
So 35 inches, that's 90 centimeters.
Either gave me it.
That's mine.
Choose
Savannah.
or millimeters.
Oh, so a temperate evergreen forest is wet like a savanna, but cold.
Cold. Yeah. Got
So
it.
wet like a savanna, but colder.
How cold?
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
forest. Okay. So that's the only one that's kinda outside. Look up a grassland, like what's the rainfall for a grassland? Maybe
What does that say?
yeah, temperate grassland.
Magic.
Wow.
Oh, what the heck did you get that? 10 to 35 inches.
Oh, 10 to 35 inches. So again, so that's like the same. Huh. So these two.
Oh, it says it in centimeters. 89 centimeters.
Oh, 89 centimeters. Well, that's 90 centimeters. So, huh. So these two are very similar.
Indeed.
Which, hey, we live in grassland next to. All right. So okay. Here's the point that I kind of want to make. If we, disregarding these two right here, if we kind of draw a line here, what do we notice about the biomes on this side? They are
Less animals, smaller.
Grasslands and deserts.
grasslands and less. Okay, except right here. Right, we could probably do this. So when we think about biomes being influenced by temperature and moisture, what are those two things going to allow for?
And
Plants.
plants. Oh, JK, I thought we were talking about something way different.
Productivity.
Productivity, right?
Hey.
So the right temperature and the right amount of moisture, we get productivity. If we have a lot of plants, what are we also going to have a lot of?
Animals.
Biodiversity.
Yeah, we're going to have biodiversity. Okay. And you can see that here in the tropical rainforest, lots of species. Because there's a lot to eat, right? Lot to eat. Okay, questions on any of those? All right, so these are all the land biomes. And this isn't all the land biomes, but this is the major one. We're going to look at, here in the next couple days, we'll look at aquatic ecosystems because we're getting close to making the jars. And so we'll look at aquatic ecosystems and how, like, could we do something similar for aquatic ecosystems? Okay. Probably. What's it going to look like? There's going to be some differences. But
You said that
we'll talk about that.
fine.
Here in the next couple days. Okay?